Welcome back, Spartans. I'm Aiden.
And I'm Aaron. Let's get to the news.
Cooking news. That's right, our San Juan culinary program showed out in our recent FCCLA competitions.
Here are a few photos from the event. Congrats to our competitors, Ben Lucas, Dasha K, Daniel S, Alonzo Mendoza. All of our competitors qualified for the FCCLA State Leadership Conference in late April.
Behind the scenes. So there's been a discussion about the direction of this news broadcast.
Here's a behind-the-scenes report from our last production meetings. There's a lot of pressure in this news business and the allure of video games. AI is here to replace us.
So the reason why I called you guys here today in this meeting between all of us, Andy, where were you?
So, Aiden, how do you like your job so far?
It's nice. I thought it was going to be more strict, but it's a little loose on it.
Oh, really? So what do you think about your coworker, Aaron?
Aaron, he's a good guy. He's amazing. He actually does his job, unlike somebody.
Oh, really? So what do you do for your job?
I'm the weather reports guy and just reporting weathers.
How do you like that job so far?
Sucks.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
2. Solid 2.
What?
How about the footage we saw where you were sitting right there in the corner where Jay is,
We're just get out of here.
I get paid less than them, and yeah.
You said that your
So Jay, my assistant here, right? What do you mean I'm your assistant? You're the weather dude. I am the audio dude. I'm the music man. What do you mean I'm your assistant?
What about the other time where we caught you on camera sleeping on the job next to Jay?
Jeremiah told me a story, right? And then I slept afterwards because of that. So you can blame all of that on him, not me.
So Andy,
He's cool, but lately he's been slacking. Fell asleep next to the DJ Jay. So.
oh really?
Yeah. So.
We already saw him sleeping right next to Jay.
Oh really?
So-
How do you feel about that? Like him sleeping while you're over here working all the time?
He shouldn't get paid.
He shouldn't get paid?
Not at all.
So you're just the perfect person?
Yep.
Okay, I'll make sure to hire you next time.
I make no mistakes.
I am Anchor 2, or the co-host, in the news streams.
All right. And how do you like your job so far?
So far, it's awesome. It's been great.
What do you think about your coworker, Aiden?
Aiden, like I said,
Would you say it's a difficult job to do?
no. As long as you know what you're doing and know how to read, then I'd say it's pretty easy.
So, have you ever been frustrated while working this job or anything?
I'd definitely say so, because I get frustrated myself every time I stutter or mess up on something that's really easy.
Would you say it's fun?
Yes, very fun.
Well, that's all we got. So, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
AI's been all the rage, and the school is considering using AI to make school news.
Let's hear from our very own Jenny.
In a world where information travels faster than light, AI Jenny, that's as me, stands at the forefront of a revolutionary shift. Imagine a future where the news is delivered not by humans, but by advanced AI and robots, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. This isn't just about embracing technology, it's about transforming how we consume news, making it more accessible and significantly reducing costs. With AI Jenny, we're not just saving money, we're opening doors to a new era of information, efficiency, and global connectivity. The future is here, and it's being narrated by AI. And remember, every day is a great day to be a Spartan.
Joe? Where's the girl, Quinn? As you can see, it will be a little bit cloudy over the next few days, and we'll be reaching late 50s and early 60 degrees, so wear jackets. All right then, let's see what Jay's up to.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Jay. I'm your DJ, and what I have planned is over the weeks I'm going to be having live streams on Twitch with music playing. So if you aren't able to make it during lunch, no problem. During lunch, I'll have those live streams up and running, so no matter where you're at, you can listen in with the music. Ain't that right? Hell yeah. All right. Now to sign out myself, I'm going to go ahead and play off a song Invincible by Dev Kev. Thank you, Spartans. That's all the time I have with you today.
Go. Well, that's it. You know what? I'm joining you guys.